Today we are here to visit my friends Gilbert and Katarina.
Come, welcome.
आणि आम तिंगे घोराकडे येयल्याय सायबिणीक.
Babe, हे चोयन म्हाका मुगे भुरगेपण उडास येयलो. आम मांद्रिगान सकाळ बसताली तेस करपा.
काडतेल गायना जेलो आणि मागणी हे सगळे हाती आसतालेच.
आपल्या आवय बापायक आनी वडिलांक ती भुरगीं खालती रावूं शिकोर. After the prayers are over, we all line up to take blessings from Mother Mary.
हांय सायबी मागे गेलो तेगे ब्लेसिंग्स मागिली आणि तेगे तेल हा ते मुगे मुदे आणि म्हाका लायले.
And now comes the part that we all wait for, snacks.
आणि सायबिणी चणे.
In Goa, at auntie's place, our place, we used to wait for this only snacks. Wait for last prayer to get over and then run. Everybody is served, fill our plates next. And then enjoy.
You saw extra samosa, now she's eating.
My friend, she's okay, please. And they also celebrated their daughter's birthday.
Bye.